And then you line this up with this. Just like that. And then you nail this white line. What's up, guys? It's your boy. Today, we are doing some shingles on the roof. We got Eric here, we got Joe, and we got Peepaw.
Peepaw. Just keep saying names.
Let's get it. Now this nail's a little deep, I will say that. But
it's hard to do something. Like if you
I know. It's because that compressor over there is from 1943. It doesn't regulate the air correctly.
Yeah, Peepaw's just
Go ahead and I'll do the stagger. Alright, I'll take it from here, buddies. What is a wombat? Is a wombat a creature?
Yeah, it's a bar.
If you want it. Hey, remember, you gotta hold these a little back from the edge. I don't want them going past it. I want them, if anything, a little before. Hey Joe, you know what you should probably work on? These cuts. I'm gonna run out of these. This is all I have here. Now that's how you do it. Do. You think we're gonna have enough nails? Let's
I think we will have enough nails.
Logan. The one that got away. Alright, little update. This is pretty hard on the body. My ankles and my knees are kind of pain. What do you think, Eric?
I feel great. I feel amazing.
That's not what you were saying a bit ago. He was complaining.
Yeah, my body hurts, dude. My body.
We're gonna try to tough it out, get her done. Eric's the shingle beast. Hey Joe, you wanna see a little trick? If you put it right there and just press down, you just drop right on there. One thing to watch for a nail like that, that's loose. That probably popped right, you know what I mean? Okay. All right, let's document your speed. Nice. Oh my God.
Document my body, my dude.
He's the fastest shingler in the Southwest.
The shingler king.
That's it. It's the whole roof. What do you got to say about that, Joe?
It's hard work.
how you do it.